Wake up. Time to get out, now. But I've been up so late with her, I can't really get up. I don't care. Maybe this won't happen if you go to bed early enough. You decide to go to bed at midnight. And now you refuse to get your ass up. Alright, I'm fully up. So it's been a while, and we're in the summer school. What we're gonna do is pull the fire alarm. Yes! We're finally here, let's pull it. Now I gotta get out. Oh yeah, another shift done. Why is that sound so loud? Is that a fire alarm?
I'm the security guard here. And did you pull the fire alarm? Tell me the truth.
No. Fine. Yes, I did.
That is so for you. You are so fired from these schools forever. Get out, now.
That fucking whale set that fire alarm on at my school. Oh, he's here. Hey, what's up? Come here now. Oh no, I'm totally fucked. Excuse me? What did you just say, you troublemaking dickweed? Nothing. Yeah, that's what I thought, you jerky idiot. You're a goddamn stupid ass idiot. If you don't come over here in 5 seconds, you are seriously fucked. So Owen, what do you have to say to me? OwynTG versus Childish Stepdad round 1, fight. OwynTG win the fight in one hit KO. He had been boxing world champion in WBA. He has won all boxing belts for minor, major and world circuit, but he quit after only a few, when he became champion. Now, seriously! It's time to ground that stupid ass and ironic mocking whale fatty. You are so grounded for a long time, cause I am an adult now. And I rule. I cannot believe you pulled that fire motherfucking alarm. Why can't fat hunched over short males behave? I really had enough of you, Whaley. Let's call this faggot Whaley now on. Whaley 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 Whaley. Stop with your goddamn whining and crying. Now, this is your own fault for giving me PTSD and anxiety. Whaley 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 Whaley. Maybe this is enough. I fucking hate you. Go to your goddamn room right this instant. What? Hey, hallway, now. Alright, I'm going to. Yeah, get pushed out of stairs, you fucking dickweed motherfucker. Ouch, that hurt. Why would you push me out of stairs? Well, you deserve it, you idiotic motherfucker. Every morning I am going to wash your mouth out with soap for blaming me for facilities. Second, locking in the shed. Third, eating peanut butter chocolate syrup. And fourth, throwing you at the dumpster outside wall. And for your second punishment, I will delete your spirit account. No, please, not my people that all like me. It's time to say goodbye to your poop spirit account. And for all those good old subscribers out there, and audience, He has his spirit account, and it has lots of people with him in it. Which is called, My Spirit is Awesome, but I call it Poop Spirit. Yes! I finally did it. Your stupid spirit account has been deleted. You are no longer popular again. No 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 no. You kept the young crisis memories of me on your spirit account, and now it ends. By the way, get your ass in your room, now.
Too tight, go down, baby.